Honest question. School taught you Pythagoras theorem, trigonometry. Did it teach you wealth management or filing taxes? Exactly. We can calculate the shadow of a tree using trigonometry, but when it comes to figuring out why our salary finishes by 15th of the month, silence. It's almost like the education system said, here's how to calculate the speed of a train, but how to save for one, you're on your own. And yet, every single one of us has to deal with money every single day. If you ever said, I'm just bad with money, then pause. You're not bad with money, you just weren't taught how to manage it. एक बार सोचो, हमें कभी कोई क्लासेस नहीं मिली on how to make a budget, how to file taxes, how to invest without panicking, or even how to understand that dangerous little thing called interest. So here we are working, earning, spending, swiping, tapping, and trying to figure out finance by trial and error, and errors usually cost us money. Hi, I'm Nandwani, and this is Finora, a channel that finally talks about money the way we actually experience it. Messy, confusing, sometimes scary, but always present in our lives. Here's the truth. Most financial advice you find today either sounds like an uncle yelling at you, or it's filled with jargon where we usually zone out, or it's just not made for your life like through AI. Let's break this down with examples. The first salary story. Do you remember that first paycheck, that high of seeing money in your account? You probably bought that phone you wanted, maybe went out, maybe subscribed to 3 OTT platforms all at once, and then by mid-month you're already broke. That's not stupidity, that's lifestyle creep. The more we earn, the more we upgrade without even noticing. Second, credit cards. Everyone says credit cards are evil, but they are not. They are like fire. अगर आप अच्छे से हैंडल करोगे, it cooks food for you. If you handle it in a wrong way, it burns your house. The problem is, किसी ने हमें कभी explain ही नहीं किया how interest rates actually work. So people pay the minimum balance thinking it's fine until the debt mountain grows. Number 3 is investing. Every time you Google how to invest in India, you are bombarded with advice. FDs, SIPs, mutual funds, stocks, gold, crypto, and because it's so overwhelming, most people just don't invest. They let money sit in savings account, earning 3% while inflation quietly eats it up at 6%. That's like running a race but in backward direction. That's why I started Finora, because you deserve better. You deserve financial advice that's clear, practical, made for your life, not someone else. Think of me as a friend who explains money over chai or coffee, but with research, numbers, and real strategies behind it. Because finance shouldn't feel like decoding Sanskrit. It should feel like learning a life skill, and trust me, once you get it, your life changes. So what can you expect here? Budgeting tips that actually work for Indian incomes, investing explained without panic, without scams, and without FOMO. How the stock market really works and how you can get started safely actually. It'll be explained without your head spinning. Side income money or ideas that don't require 15-hour work days. All the everyday money stuff like credit cards, EMIs, PF, UPI, taxes in a very simplified version and step by step. And most importantly, the emotional side of money, guilt, family pressure, the fear of risk, and the voice in your head saying log kya kahenge, because money isn't just maths, it's psychology, habits, and culture. Finora is for you if you are a student who wants to get smarter with money before making big mistakes. You are an early earner who never knows where your salary disappears. Or you are a professional who has been saying, I'll figure out finance next month for the last 5 months. Basically, if you ever wondered where is my money going, you belong here. There's a mini tip for you. Since you have stayed till now, let me give you a quick nugget. Money के total 3 jobs होते हैं. First one is to protect you, that is through savings, insurance, emergency funds. Second one is grow for you through investing and compounding. Third one is giving you freedom through smart habits and discipline. If your money is not doing these 3, it's just slipping through your fingers. And here's the myth buster. Investing is risky. Reality is not investing is riskier, because if you just save money, inflation eats it. But when you invest wisely and patiently, you give your money a chance to grow faster than inflation. Tell me in the comments what's the one money question you have always been scared to ask. Don't worry about sounding silly. This is a judgment free space. Chances are half the people watching have the same doubt. So here's the deal: finance should not feel like that one smart kid in your class who is always intimidating, confusing, and always ahead. This channel is your safe space for clear, professional, and relatable content. One video at a time, we'll make money work for you, not the other way around. So hit the subscribe, turn on notification, share this video with one friend who always says, "Bhai, paise kahan jate hai?" Because this is Finora, money that finally makes sense. And remember, being rich and staying wealthy are not same. We'll cover both.